In this episode, Carol asks, regarding ChatGPT, if I provide positive feedback after an answer, will that influence ChatGPT's next replies? Yes, but it depends on the kind of positive feedback we're talking about. There's two essential feedback mechanisms to ChatGPT. One is you'll notice next to each prompt, there's a thumbs up, thumbs down. That is the training data that we are asked to provide as users of the system, as beta users, to say this response was good or this response was not good. Doing that provides training data to OpenAI to essentially take those prompt response pairs, the ones that got thumbs up, when it basically goes back into the training model and says, do more of this stuff. And the ones that got thumbs down, it goes into the back of the training model saying, do less of this stuff. And so that feedback, it's called reinforcement learning, helps AIs get smarter, essentially, get more clever at what they do by avoiding things that are not appropriate. That's one of the reasons why fine-tuning, which is a process where you retrain an AI a little bit or give some things additional weights, is so important. That's one aspect. The second aspect is if you're talking about sort of just text interaction, that doesn't amend the training data set, not overtly, but what it does do is that it provides guidance for the model within that session to do less or more of something. And that data may be used for reinforcement learning as well if it's clear enough that the feedback is about that prompt. But the mechanism that for sure we know impacts the reinforcement learning is the thumbs up, thumbs down thing. When you're working within a session within OpenAI, within a specific conversation, providing positive feedback or corrective feedback will help more than anything refine the results that you get, right? If you say to it, hey, good answer, it may say thank you, it may do all these things, and then say, do you want to continue? Do you want to do something more? That's going to be sort of in-session textual feedback, but it doesn't change the model as much as the thumbs up, thumbs down ratings. So if you want to influence ChatGPT to overall provide a better experience, use the built-in rating system. If you want to see how it interacts with you within that session and the feedback that it gives you and the way the prompts and the outputs change, you can use in-conversation feedback as well. But there's been no indication that OpenAI overtly uses that training data as part of its reinforcement learning mechanisms. They may, but we just don't know. That's not disclosed in the documentation. Good question. Thanks for asking.
If you like this video, go ahead and hit that subscribe button.